As the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard trial slowly edges towards the final stages, the embittered exes are now being exposed by their testimonies under the magnifying glass of the court, most especially Amber Heard. Not only does some of the Depp and Heard testimonies contradict each other, it's pretty glaring to the invested public that one of the estranged couple is giving a false account of what truly happened based on their tales. So who has been caught in a web of lies so far? And why does the public seem to think Johnny might just be the victimized partner out of the two? Wrapping up her days of testifying in her current legal battle with estranged husband Johnny Depp, Amber Heard gave the jury an account of her own side of the story from her and Depp's ill-fated marriage. And let's just say, it's not exactly as convincing as the Aquaman actress may have hoped. Supposedly, recollecting the different times that Depp was violent towards her, Heard did not hold back in telling the court that the different times her now ex-husband called her names, including a nagging B and a C, during the course of their union, while also claiming that Johnny once penetrated her with a glass bottle during one of his alleged violent outbursts. According to Amber, not only did her Pirates of the Caribbean superstar ex do her bodily and emotional harm, the actor also at some point threatened to kill her multiple times, once on his island in the Bahamas. Amber Heard also alleges that Depp once said he would not hesitate to end her life if she ever embarrassed him in front of his kids again. However, Depp and his team continue to profusely deny all Heard's claims, saying that Amber's stories of abuse have evolved with new and convenient details as time goes on, clearly insinuating that the mother of one is conveniently lying under oath. According to Depp's team, in contrast to Heard's testimony so far, Depp's recollections have remained exactly the same throughout the 6 painful years since her first allegations were made. While it is true that Amber has said her piece this past week, Depp's counsels are, however, vowing to expose Heard's alleged lies against their client in their cross-examination in the coming week as the trial slowly phases out, with the team promising to zero in on alleged inconsistencies in Heard's stories, calling her allegations nothing but performance art. It'll interest you to know that just like Johnny and his team of supporters across the globe, it is obvious that Heard's concluded testimony does not hold much water with the general public, as many have taken to social media to accuse the actress of manipulating and lying against an abused Depp. Reacting to Heard's moment in court, a Twitter user said, "I saw a little bit of her testimony and it was very obvious she was acting. I was glad to see in the comments that everyone could see it was an act. Hard to believe she's a successful professional." To which another fan replied, "Her story is becoming quite questionable. Not that I'm trying to find a reason to believe her or even believe everything Johnny has testified to either, but this story is just too questionable." Going by the public's reaction against Amber, it will not be an assumption to say that Johnny Depp and his legal team are currently having a field day in court, especially with the 58-year-old increasing supporters since Heard took to the stand in the ongoing $50 million defamation trial. I really don't understand why she's telling these stories when all these pictures from James Corden show the pictures of her getting off the plane from Australia. I don't understand why she's doing this because it's all going to be debunked, a staunch Depp supporter tweeted. That's why the lawyers of Johnny Depp just let her speak. She is digging hard right now. In the cross-examination, they have so much to checkmate her. I'm sure Johnny could win this if they saw what we all saw and wrote down, another Depp fan wrote. A spokesperson for Depp speaking to TMZ this past week reiterated Johnny's counsel's earlier statement made at the beginning of the trial, stating that Amber has been preparing to give the performance of her life in this trial, with the Fantastic Beasts actor's name maintaining that Johnny's prediction was dead on accurate. In the just concluded week 4 of the trial, Depp's attorney, Ben Chew, was videoed in court appearing to be celebrating a supposed slip-up made by Heard when the latter made mention of one of Johnny's ex-girlfriends, Kate Moss. This assumed slip-up gave the general public more room to go as far as to compare Heard's recent declaration in court to a previous suit held in the UK, where a judge had declared Depp as a wife-beater, according to a newspaper publication supporting Heard's claims that she was domestically abused in her relationship. In the UK case, Amber testified that she was told by 2 people of a rumor that Johnny pushed Kate down the stairs. Kate has vehemently denied this, and now that Heard has mentioned it, Johnny can now call Kate Moss as a witness to debunk this. A Twitter account made this comparison. Of course, in the true fashion of Heard supporters, one was quick to jump to her defense saying, "No one can make this shit up. She's not lying." To which a Depp fan countered, "How can anyone be on her side? There's literally video evidence of her admitting hitting him." There you have it, folks. Are you Team Depp or Team Heard? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to check out. Thanks for watching.